Hey everyone, today I'm excited to talk about the KeylessOption keyless entry remote car key fob replacement for Chevy Express and Savana vans. Now, if you're like me and you've had that sinking feeling of losing or damaging your car keys, this could be a lifesaver. What I love about this product is how it offers a quick, easy, and affordable solution to replace your keyless entry remote. And hey, who doesn't love a bit of convenience, right? First off, let's talk compatibility. This remote is designed to work seamlessly with models like the Chevy Express and Savana vans, which is fantastic news for owners of these vehicles. Plus, it's been fully tested, so you can trust that it's reliable and ready to go. Installation-wise, it couldn't be simpler. The remote comes complete with electronics installed, so there's no need to fiddle around with complicated setups. And if you're worried about programming, don't be. Whether you choose to go to a dealer or an automotive locksmith, they'll have this synced up to your vehicle in no time. Now, I always appreciate when a replacement part stays true to the original in both form and function, and this remote does just that. It's a seamless match, ensuring that your car's security system remains intact. But let's address the elephant in the room: price. This KeylessOption remote offers fantastic value for money. Considering the convenience and peace of mind it provides, it's a small price to pay compared to some other options out there. Overall, I'm really impressed with the KeylessOption keyless entry remote car key fob replacement. It's reliable, easy to install, and offers excellent value for money. So if you find yourself in need of a replacement remote for your Chevy Express or Savana van, I highly recommend giving this one a try. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.